Hi guys, this is Deja with Hostek, and today we're going to go over how to manually insert data to your table in phpMyAdmin. But before we get started, make sure you guys like and subscribe to this channel so you keep on getting videos and tutorials. Now this is how you manually input your data for your table. I'm going to start off by using the table that we created in the previous video, as you can see up here. Now that previous video, we don't have any data for that table yet. As you can see, it says that it returned an empty result, which is fine because we're going to manually put it in now. To do that, just go ahead and click Insert. So you will be brought to this form where you can manually input that data. Now I used the previous table from the video we created, and as you can see, the 4 columns we created: ID, user, and password, and also date. So let's go ahead and add information here. For ID, I had it set as an auto increment, so you don't have to worry about putting a value there because it'll populate one on its own. User, will make it simple and just name it Jane. And for password, I am going to make the password simple as password. I highly recommend you do not do this. Make sure that you have security measures in place. This is just for this example, so make sure your passwords are safe and secure. This is not one, but this is just for the example. And then for the date, I will make it simple and we'll do it at the start of this year, so January 1st, 2023. Perfect. Now you could either click Go, which would process this information. As you can see here, you're able to add more information and data for the table. So we're going to add one more. Make sure you click off ignore. And then again, we're going to leave this value alone. For this one, we'll make it simple. We'll name it John. Password, again, can be password. We'll do password 1 to make sure there's a difference. And then we will make it the next day, which would be January 2nd, 2023. Alrighty. Now that we have our information for this table, you're going to simply click Go. And there you have it. Now it may take a few seconds to process this request, but once it does, you'll see a message at the top here letting you know that the rows that you inserted is ready to go, depending on how many rows you include. But for this purposes, we did 2. So as you can see, 2 rows were inserted. And as a note, I just want to mention that you see the query here, and this is auto-generated for you every single time. It'll be displayed back to you. So if you wanted to use this in your MySQL database, then you're able to do so, and it kind of displays everything for you, makes life a little bit easier. Adding your data to your table, just go ahead and click Browse again. And this is where you will find that information for your table. And you can also see that the message at the top has changed. From here too, you're also able to edit or delete pretty easily, as you can see. So you can delete it, restart it, or edit any information that you need. And it's simple as that. It didn't take too long, but this is how you insert and will manually insert data into your table. And that is all for today. Thank you guys for listening. My name is Deja with Hostek again, and make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so you can keep on getting these awesome tutorials. We will be back next week with a brand new video. We'll see you then.